When considering church management software like Planning Center, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. In this video, we'll walk through 12 key things you should know before buying, and we'll compare it to some of its top competitors so you can make an informed choice. First thing, pricing and plans. Planning Center offers a range of plans based on your church's needs, but it's not the cheapest option available. The pricing can add up quickly if you need multiple features, like check-ins, event registrations, or advanced accounting. Some competitors offer more bundled options that might save you money if you don't need every individual service. Next thing, user interface. Planning Center's interface is clean and intuitive. However, if you're looking for a more customizable experience, some competitors, like Church Community Builder, provide more flexible dashboards. Planning Center is straightforward, but you may find that its simplicity doesn't cater to more advanced users. The third thing, ease of use. Planning Center is known for its easy learning curve, making it great for church staff who are not tech savvy. However, compared to other options like Breeze, Planning Center's more advanced features can require more time to learn and get used to. Next, features and functionality. While Planning Center offers a comprehensive suite, including check-ins, donations, and group management, it can feel a bit fragmented. Some competitors like PushPay bundle these features together in one seamless system, which can reduce the complexity. The fifth thing, integration options. Planning Center integrates with a variety of other software, but compared to something like Fellowship One, its integration options can be a bit limited in certain areas. If you need more specialized integrations, it's worth checking if Planning Center supports the platforms you already use. Next thing, customer support. Planning Center offers solid customer support through email and chat, but their response times can vary. Some competitors, like Planning Center's more direct competitor, ACS Technologies, offer phone support, which might be preferable if you need immediate assistance. The seventh thing, mobile accessibility. Planning Center's mobile apps are reliable, but some other software options, like Tithe.ly, offer more robust mobile experiences with better functionality for both church staff and members. If mobile access is crucial, consider whether Planning Center meets your needs. Next, customization. While Planning Center offers some customization options, its offerings are a bit limited compared to other platforms like ChurchTrack, which allows for deeper customization to fit unique church structures and workflows. The ninth thing, volunteer management. Planning Center's volunteer scheduling feature is quite powerful, but you might find that it's more complex than what you need if your church is smaller. In contrast, other competitors offer simpler volunteer management tools that might be a better fit for churches just starting out. Next thing, security. Security is a top priority when dealing with sensitive church data, and Planning Center takes this seriously, offering features like two-factor authentication. However, depending on the specific needs of your church, you may want to look at other platforms that offer more extensive compliance features for things like GDPR. The 11th thing, scalability. Planning Center is a great option for growing churches, but if you have a much larger congregation, you might find some limitations with their higher tier pricing. Competitors like Fellowship One are better suited for larger multi-campus churches with more complex management needs. The 12th thing, free trial. Planning Center does offer a free trial, which is a great way to test out its features. However, many competitors like Breeze offer free trials as well, and some provide longer trial periods, so it's worth exploring multiple options to see which one fits best. In conclusion, Planning Center is a solid option for churches, especially if you prioritize ease of use and a wide range of features. But if you're looking for something with more flexibility, better pricing, or advanced features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.